In one of its models, Ford managed to reduce the weight of the A-pillar assembly by 4 kilograms. And in another instance, they not only reduced the weight of the front assembly by 59%, but also decreased the number of parts from 31 to just 12. I would say that it is not unique to Ford, but many automotive OEMs have similar success stories. The automotive industry is undergoing a radical transformation, and as we strive for a greener future, automakers face immense pressure to lower vehicle weight while simultaneously enhancing safety. And the trend shows us that over the years, the cars have become lighter, greener, and safer. And with each passing years, these targets are becoming even more stringent. So what's the answer? Tubular components crafted from high-strength manganese-boron steel and manufactured through hot metal gas forming process offers a compelling answer to these challenges. So you may ask, what is hot metal gas forming? In simple terms, it is a combination of hydroforming and hot forming, which involves heating a metal tube to a pliable state and then pressurizing it internally with gas to form it into the desired shape within the die cavity. And over the traditional stamping manufacturing method, it offers several advantages like enhanced strength, reduced weight, and the manufacturing process is also cost effective because there are no secondary operations like welding. The hot metal gas forming is revolutionizing the automotive industry, enabling the production of lightweight and high-strength components like front-end modules, the B-pillar, the side rails, and many critical components in the chassis area of the car. Although hot metal gas forming offers many benefits, it also comes with the complexities and challenges of tube hydroforming and hot forming. To achieve the desired hardness level and part quality, process engineers need to meticulously optimize tool designs and process parameters like gas pressure, tool temperature, cooling rates, cycle times, etc. Hello everyone, I am Mayank Gupta, the product manager with AutoForm, and in one of the webinars, I along with my colleague Giampaolo delve into the topic of hot metal gas forming, wherein using a real-time A-pillar component, we demonstrated how engineers can utilize innovative digital solutions to find the optimal manufacturing process for tubular components. In the webinar, we designed and validated the cold hydroforming as well as hot metal gas forming process, and based on the results, we concluded that hot metal gas forming resulted in a lighter, harder, and better quality components with no formability and spring back issues. So if you are interested and want to learn more about this, you can watch the full webinar recording at formingworld.com and discover how you can contribute to a greener future with innovative manufacturing solutions. Thank you.